sound, just truth in your energy. Your shadow moves inside my chest. This quiet feeling knows me best. We don't need words to feel this close. Love is here, and silence knows this is silent love. Skin to skin, slow fire. Every breath we share pulls me higher. This is silent love, pure undone. In the space between us, we are one. Your heartbeat speaks in gentle waves, a secret only night can save. Time dissolves when you look at me, like a dream that has to stay and breathe. No names, no fears, no sound to break. Just this moment we don't fake. This is silent love, soft as light on skin. Every touch begins from within. This is silent love, slow and deep. Even when we close our eyes, we keep. If the world disappears tonight, let it fade into this light. In the calm where hearts align, your soul is resting next to mine. This is silent love, endless truth. In the quiet dark, I find you. This is silent love, no sound above, just this feeling, silent love.